Come test drive the 2019 Elantra. The Elantra boasts the most interior room in its class and gets an exceptional 35 miles per gallon. With its luxurious standard features, the Elantra is an easy choice and is priced below $15,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: electronic stability control, brake assist, remote keyless entry, front wheel independent suspension, speed control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, rear window wiper, security system, low tire pressure warning. This vehicle offers reliability and good looks at a great price. So come in and take a test drive today.